Hello students, this is your history lesson. Today we are going to start skills book History Today book 2. This is third edition and this book is for grade 7. Students, we will solve exercise 1, the chapter 1, the rise and spread of Islam. This is page number 2 from your skills book. Now start our lesson. Here is the question. Study the diagram below. Here is a diagram. You can see spread of Islam and different blocks have been given. Here we have to write in each box, write details of how that particular way helped in the spread of Islam. Migration. Arabs migrated from the Arabian Peninsula, taking their religion with them. Trade routes. Many travelers, traders, and pilgrims passed through Mecca and Medina and carried Islam along network of trade routes to faraway areas. Missions. Under the first 4 caliphs, missions were sent to other countries. Caliph Uthman sent many missions to the imperial court of China, art and architecture. The Umayyads were great builders and Muslim art and architecture became established under their rule. Good rule. Umayyads were good military leaders. They were good administrators. Umayyad forces won military victories over a wide area. They set up an international postal system using riders on horseback. B part. Look back at your answer to A. Which one of the 5 ways that Islam spread do you think was the most successful? Explain your answer. Answer is Islam spread because Umayyads were great military leaders. They were good administrators. Arabic replaced Greek and Persian as the official language of the conquered land and was used in the administration of the empire, making communication easier. What Muslims gave to Spain? A. These AD years are not in correct chronological order. 732, 1492, 714, 711, 756. Write them on the lines under the year heading in correct order, year and event. Year 711. An army of Moorish soldiers crossed the Straits of Gibraltar. 714. Most of Spain was under the control of Arab Muslims. 732. A local army met the Islamic forces at the Battle of Poitiers. 756. An Umayyad prince I established an independent caliphate. 1492. The last Muslim dynasty in Spain. Study the drawing. It shows aspects of Muslim culture that influenced Spain. Write details of each aspect of Muslim culture in each of the 7 shapes. Students, we can see Andalusian culture pot, and here 7 leaves have been drawn here. Medicine. Medical books written in Arabic were translated into Latin. Agriculture and industry. Almonds and apricots were introduced. They elaborate irrigation system. They elaborated irrigation system. Religion. The local people were nomadic, they were attracted to Islam. Music. The Arabs' love for poetry and music became part of Spanish life, and lute and guitar were introduced to Spain. Architecture. Flower designs, arches, geometric patterns, pointed arches, tiles, water spaces were introduced. Literature. Greek and Latin texts were translated into Arabic and medical schools were set up. Muslim rule. Muslim rule, though, was strongest in the south, which was called by an Arabic name Al-Andalus. What two words describe this period of Muslim rule in Spain? The answer is this period of Muslim rule in Spain is called Al-Andalus. The city of Baghdad. Imagine it is the mid 9th century and the Caliph has given you the task of encouraging people to come and live in his capital city, Baghdad. Write details of what would persuade them to live in Baghdad using these topics: surrounding land, defense, trade, money, culture, layout. Come and live in Baghdad. The surrounding land was fertile, which meant that the city had a good food supply. Baghdad also stood near a canal which linked the Tigris and Euphrates rivers and was therefore an excellent place for trade. The city was well protected against enemy attack. Its huge outer wall was more than 30 meters high and 14 meters thick, with 4 gates and 360 towers. Baghdad became the center of a powerful and wealthy empire, reaching the height of its influence and prosperity. Baghdad was connected with east and west by trade routes. It became an important center for trade. Abbasid merchants traded in goods from a wide area. Muslim scientists, astronomers, mathematicians, doctors, and philosophers contributed immensely to technology and culture. They preserved earlier traditions of ancient Greek learning and translated them into Arabic. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.